The control board support to set the parameters by the app, such as set the auto-closing timer, etc. Beside to set the parameters by the menu, you also can set them by the app. Select the device, click the Settings button in the top right and select Setting. Select the parameter, enter a new value and save. Click the Sync. If you want to set more parameters, please repeat the operation. You also can set the overcurrent value, infrared sensor work mode, remote button function, etc. And click the Sync. If there have any wrong operation and need to reset the parameters, click Menu Initialization.